Hey, thanks so much for coming back and previewing another lesson in our incredible digital course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair. You know, medical bills can be tough to get rid of, and they're usually inflated well beyond what they should be. It's a real issue, so, for many of your clients that have medical bills, if you're not able to get that medical bill removed, there's no point in even hiring you. So, how do you help these clients erase all of these unwanted debts, these student loans? Well, in bonus video number 10, Chris O'Connell is going to teach you the techniques and tools needed to master medical bill removal using AI. Now, this lesson helps credit repair business owners understand the common issues and legalities surrounding medical bills that are showing up on credit reports. It teaches you how to use ChatGPT to create persuasive, tailor-made dispute letters for medical bill removal. It's going to give you strategies to prevent medical bills from affecting credit scores, including negotiation with providers and collection agencies. All of this is stuff that you really need to know, and it shows real-world examples and step-by-step guidance on handling various medical bill situations. Get the skills to magically wipe out medical bills from your clients' credit reports and help them regain financial freedom. If you're a business owner looking to step into the age of technology, this course is it. I highly recommend you enroll in our course today and use the link down below, and I'll see you on the inside.